Hi, this is Courtney from Cooley Region RV in West Salem, Wisconsin. This is the 2019 Winnebago Intent 29L. This is a Class A that comes with outdoor camp kitchen containing a TV, sink, and refrigerator. Let's take a look inside. This unit has a neutral color scheme with modern details. The driving area has these comfortable seats that slide, recline, and swivel. Up top is a studio loft bed. This unit does sleep 8 people, has a backup camera, and a full-length awning. The living area has a 39-inch HD TV, amplified digital TV antenna system, and is satellite system ready. The kitchen has a 2-door residential refrigerator freezer, microwave oven with touch controls, 3-burner range with oven, stainless steel double sink, powered roof ventilator fan, and a pantry. Let's head on into the bathroom. Lots of space in the bathroom. Textured glass shower door, skylight, and a powered roof ventilator fan. There's the shower. It's pretty big. Next, we're going to head on into the bedroom. The bedroom contains a queen bed with foam mattress and storage. Lots of wardrobe space. And room to get around for on both sides. And there is a TV. A 32-inch HD TV. And this is the 2019 Winnebago Intent 29L. Give us a call.